Blessings, blessing everyone. Blessings from Eat Good TV. Scissoring, savoring. Little is much with all in it. Today we are making pineapple cranberry juice. And here are the ingredients we need. We need our pineapple. We need our cranberry. So I'm going to wash the pineapple and wash the cranberry. Now that the cranberry is all washed and clean and the pineapple is all washed and clean, slice your pineapple to fit in your blender. Oh, let me taste a piece of, oh my goodness. This pineapple is so sweet and refreshing because it was in the fridge. So good. I have to take another piece. So good. And it's good to make this fresh juice, you know. It's very, very good. This fresh juice is so good for the body. Just add your pineapple and the cranberry to the blender. Clean hands. So just add, I'm just going to add the cranberry to the blender. I'd start adding some. So just add all your cranberry to the blender. Make sure your hands are clean. And you just add the pineapple. And you just pour some water. And you're just gonna blend. Blend and just strain the juice. Just strain it. You can drink it just the way it is. You can drink it just the way it is, nice and thick like a smoothie. or you can strain it. I like mine strained, or you can just drink it without straining it. And you get all that fiber. You know, just drink it like a smoothie, but I just like the juice. Pineapple is always frothy, so just remove the froth from the bowl before pouring. So the pineapple is always frothy. Just remove the froth from the bowl and then you pour. Then you pour and add your ice. If you like ice, if you don't like ice, just drink. It is very, very delicious. Cran pineapple. Very delicious. It's cranberry and pineapple. Very good. And you just remove and then you just drink. You don't need to add sugar. The pineapple is sweet, but if you want to add sugar, you can add whatever sugar you want in it. And if you're diabetic, you know, you don't need sugar. If you're not diabetic, you don't need sugar. Pineapple is sweet. And if you want to have the fiber, you can add some. This is the fiber left here. Let me put it a little closer. This is all the fiber here. You can add some raisin to it, or you can add some nuts to it and eat it if you want to have the fiber. But it's very delicious. Any way you have it, it's delicious. And there you have it, your cran pineapple juice. And this is raisin and nuts. You can add it to your fiber if you eat the fiber. This is raisin and nuts. And the pineapple skin, you don't have to throw away the pineapple skin. You can boil the pineapple skin with ginger and sweeten it to your taste, to your likeness. So bye from Eat Good TV. Wish you all the best. Love you.